Welcome to another episode of Depreciation Nation in our Project X3. Today we're going to attack some of the interior work, and for that we're going to use a custom blend die by a company called Seat Doctors. We're also going to use their leather crack filler. I know this looks particularly small, but you use a very small amount of this product. We're going to show you the process as we continue to work through this. We're going to show you exactly how it's done. We're going to show you the finished product when we're done. So thanks for joining us, and let's get started. So that wraps up the interior work. Thanks for joining us. I hope you like the finished product, and I hope you like what you see. And join us next time when we take this into the inspection station to see if the work that we've done makes it emissions worthy. If you like what you're seeing, please hit comment, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to join our nation. Thanks again.